spent 3 years studying knowledge of London to become a London Cabbie, which I was very, very proud to do. And then I became very ill with stress, with so many things that were going wrong, and a lot of it was my industry and my beliefs. I tried very, very hard with allopathic medicine, all the best doctors in Hardy Street. I saw everyone. No one could help me. And I found CNM, and it was probably the greatest thing that ever happened to me on my journey. I kind of class it as my awakening, and I don't think many people get woke up in their life. They just go along, they poodle along, and they just have that same everyday life. For me, I realised I didn't want that life, and CNM was the start of it for me. The reason for me coming to CNM and learning something different is because my life was going nowhere, and I realised if I needed to change. I'm 44 years of age, but I'm not finished yet, I'm not done. I've still got years left in me. On my first day, I realised I'd made the right decision because my lecturer Jodie came in. He said, right, my name's Jodie, I talk quickly, but I'm passionate about biomedicine. I thought, okay, wow, that's interesting. And her passion has just rubbed off on all of us, and it's made me realise this is what I want. It's not just about qualifications, it's just about being happy and hopefully being good at what I'm going to be good at, but I know that CNM will get me to the highest level. I would like to have my own little clinic in London somewhere. Just help support people that are ill, support people that go to doctors and just spend years undiagnosed. You know, I would like to help those people because I think that was what I will find rewarding, to know that I've made a difference. And if CNM can help me to make that difference in life, brilliant.